Hey guys, how are you? Hope you are doing well. So basically in this video I am going to tell you about that what is Nest Aware and is it worth the cost. So let's start our video. So here's it basically smart home. Here's it what is Nest Aware and is it worth the cost. So Google is eager to sell new Nest camera buyers or Nest Aware subscription. But what is Aware and is it worth the money? By Roger Fingers, here's it April 24, 2023. So basically I am now moving further here. So here's it. If you have taken an interest in Google Nest cams or doorbells for your smart home, you have probably run into some mention of Nest Aware, a paid subscription service that augments their features. So what do you get out of a Nest Aware subscription, and is it worth the recurring fee? What is Nest Aware? Here's it. So basically here's it. What is Nest Aware? So here's it. The primary benefit of a Nest Aware subscription is extended recording history. By default, Nest cameras record just 3 hours of event history, an event being a short clip triggered by sound or motion. And that's good enough if you are awake and within quick reach of your phone, but not for incidents recorded overnight or while you are away on a trip. So here's it basically. I am now moving further here. So let's say basically I am now moving further. Headset the standard aware headset the standard aware subscription extends event history to 30 days and upgrade tire and Nest Aware Plus stretches this out to 16 days and add 10 days of continued video history. If you need to see more footage, just realize that not all Nest cameras support continuous recording, the main restriction being anything battery powered. The primary benefit of a Nest Aware subscription is extended recording history. So here's it. The next biggest benefit is familiar face detection. While the latest Nest cams and doorbells can distinguish between people, packages, animals, and vehicles using onboard AI triggering appropriate notifications, Aware subscription can teach their cameras to recognize individuals, friends, and family. So instead of getting an alert that a person is at the door, you will be told if it's say Roger, Lakeisha, or Stephanie. So basically, here's it. I'm now going further here. So here, something less commonly known about Aware is that it enables sound detection of smoke and carbon monoxide alarms, not just by Nest cams but in spotted regions by any Google smart speaker or display speaker. And display can also trigger alert when they hear glass breaking. The next Nest Hub Max can act as its own camera under Aware. If you are comfortable with that, that includes alert with when a person is seen, familiar or otherwise. Lastly, Aware make it easier for US subscription subscribers to get in touch with a local 911 call center. This won't matter if you are homebody, since you can always dial emergency services on your home, but it may be handy if you are out of town. Goals E911 each tech connects you to the 911 dispatch closet to your home rather than one where are currently located. So basically, here's it. I am now moving further here. How much does Nestware cost? So here's it. In its standard US version, Nestware costs $6 per month or $60 per year. The later opinion option saving you $12 if you are willing to commit. Either fee covers all of the Aware compatible devices in your home, no matter how many you add. So here's it basically. And that differ from many other smart security plans which charge you more as you move beyond a single camera. So here's it basically. I'm now moving further here. Feature deal Samsung Next and foldable are coming on July 16. Here's it basically. So here's it. I'm now moving further here. So basically here's it. Yes, once you set up a new Nest device or update from a first generation Aware plan, you will be offered a 30-day trial. Trials are only offered where Aware is sold and supported feature can vary from country to country. So here's it basically. You can sign up for Nestware or Aware Plus with the Google Store or via with the Google Home app on Android devices. So here's it. In the second scenario, open the setting tab, then under subscription, select Nest Aware. The following regions have access to Aware. So here's it basically. Uh, Basically, here's it. I'm now moving further. So the following regions have access to Aware: Australia, Austria, Belgium, Canada, Denmark, Finland, France, Germany, Ireland, Italy, Japan, Mexico. Here's it. Basically, Mexico, Netherlands, New Zealand, Norway, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, United Kingdom, United States, except Puerto Rico. So here's it basically. E911 and sound detection in US only. Family face detection does not work with Nest cameras or doorbells in Illinois or on the Nest Hub Max in the European Union. So how to manage your Nest Aware subscription is also given here. So basically here's it. The most commonly method is visiting store.google.com subscription and signing in with your Google account. Basically, it's all about Nest Aware. So if you like my video, then please subscribe it and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.